Another fine vehicle offered by W.I. Simonson.
This is a 2008 Mercedes-Benz E350, a great fit and finish. The most desirable features on board this Mercedes-Benz include height-adjustable driver and passenger seats, heated washer fluid, a 13-speaker audio system, satellite radio, a driver front airbag with multi-stage deployment, electronic brake distribution, and this vehicle has fewer than 11,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and a 7-speed automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
W.I. Simonson is located at 1626 Wilshire Boulevard in Santa Monica. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.